Hello! In this video I will tell you more about how Odyssey calculates the over or underspend of a traffic source. You can calculate this by using two key elements, namely the current and suggested ad spend. So we start at the dashboard, and from there we go to the metrics with all the variables. And as you can see, by subtracting the current ad spend from the suggested ad spend, you get the over or underspend. So how to interpret the data? First of all, when the number or the percentage are positive and red, it means you're overspending. And when the numbers are green and negative, it means you're underspending and you can spend more money on these channels to increase the revenue. But please make sure when you want to change something to click on that particular channel first to see more specific details about the performance, and based on this you can make a decision if you want to change something, yes or no.